Hi everyone, welcome to Shooters. Today we are here with the second part of chapter Equilibrium, class 11. So let's start. So first topic is Law of Chemical Equilibrium. It's based on law of mass action. According to this law, rate of the reaction is directly proportional to the concentration of reactants. Now let's consider a reaction A plus B in equilibrium with C plus D. So we have a rate of forward reaction is directly proportional to concentration of A into concentration of B according to law of chemical equilibrium. So let's remove the proportional sign by multiplying it with a constant, that is Kf. This is the rate constant of forward reaction into concentration of B into concentration of A. Similarly, we can write it for backward reaction, that is rate of backward reaction is directly proportional to concentration of C into concentration of D, that is equal to Kb into concentration of C into concentration of D. So at equilibrium we have rate of backward reaction is equal to rate of forward reaction, that is Kb into concentration of C into concentration of D is equal to Kf into concentration of A into concentration of B. So taking the concentration terms to one side and the constant terms to one side, we get Kf by Kb is equal to concentration of C into concentration of D by concentration of A into concentration of B, where these concentrations are equilibrium concentration, and we by dividing two constants we get another constant, that is Kc, which is known as the equilibrium constant. So in general, consider reaction AA plus BB is an equilibrium with CC plus DD. How to write a equilibrium constant? You can write concentration of C raised to the power C, the concentration of D raised to the power D by concentration of A raised to the power A into concentration of B raised to the power B. So what's the statement? The law of chemical equilibrium states that at constant temperature, product of concentration of products raised to the power in the balanced equation divided by product of concentration of reactants raised to the power of coefficient of balanced chemical equation is always a constant, that is Kc. So let's consider an example. N2 gas plus 3H2 gas gives 2NH3 gas. So how to write the equilibrium concentration? Kc is equal to concentration of NH3 raised to the power 2 divided by concentration of N2 into concentration of H2 raised to the power 3. So the point here to note is concentration of solid will be equal to 1 and concentration of liquid will also be equal to 1. So let's see why is it so. Because we have molarity is equal to number of moles by volume in liters. So that is given mass by molar mass into volume. Here given mass by volume will be equal to density, that is D by density by molar mass, where density and molar mass of solid and liquid will be equal, which gives us 1. Hence we consider the concentration of solids and liquids as 1 at equilibrium. Now let's see one example for how to write the equilibrium constant. So Kc for this reaction will be, here iodine is in solid form, that means this is neglected, that the value of this is 1, and here the product side also we have one solid, so just a solid, so 1 by, in the reactant side we have F2, that is concentration of F2 raised to the power 7. Now let's consider a question that is N2 plus 3H2 gives 2NH3, in which all the three are in gaseous form and the concentrations are given below. So let's see how to write the equilibrium constant. Kc is equal to concentration of NH3 raised to the power 2 divided by concentration of N2 into concentration of H2 raised to the power 3. So when we substitute the values, we will get 7.03 into 10 power 5 m raised to minus 2. The unit may differ according to the number of reactants and products we have.